Welcome to IBM Support TV, where we answer questions and share technical support information, hints, and tips on IBM products.
Question: how do I install the Installation Manager using a command line? Extract the Installation Manager zip file that you downloaded. This is a listing of the extracted files. To install the Installation Manager to a location of your choice, you will need to add the profile parameter to install.xml. You can open install.xml with any standard text editor, for example, Notepad. Add the profile parameter to install.xml. Profile kind equals self. Install location equals C/IBM /Installation Manager /Eclipse. ID equals IBM Installation Manager /profile. The installation location has to end with Eclipse. If the profile parameter is not specified in install.xml, Installation Manager will be installed to the default location. Save the change. Use the dir command to list the commands that can be used to install Installation Manager. This demo runs the silent installation as an administrative user, using the command install c.exe-accept license-sp. Installation Manager is now installed on your system to the location of your choice. In this case, it is C/IBM /Installation Manager /Eclipse.
Thanks for watching this episode of IBM Support TV. Please leave a comment with topics you would like to see in future episodes. Until then, stay tuned.